Well, actually, I was not very happy with the way this flower was looking a lot flat. So, after I switched off the camera, I went again and darkened the shadow areas. Now I like it better. So, I'll do the same on this side of the flower and show you what I did. I used plum. With plum, I darken the shadows, these areas where I feel the shadow will hit the lower petal. I went over that with plum. Just a hint of plum. And then magenta, and with magenta I'll go over the places where I lay down plum. Now I take my golden yellow and go over the shadows and blend it a little. And then this is yellow. I'll use plum to darken the center part of the flower, and magenta for the petals around it. Yeah, I think now it looks a lot better. Yeah, now I'm happy with the way this flower has done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all like it. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Thank you. Happy coloring.